Hey family, and welcome back to another week's vlog. Today we are tidying up my living room. I'm trying to get my house back to that place it used to be where I used to feel so comfortable walking through the house. And guys, this is the reason why it takes me a while sometimes to start a new project. Because I find every time I'm doing a project in the house, my house gets very untidy and then it takes a while to get it back to where it used to be. So instead of just cleaning the space, I have to clean these sofas. They're dirty again, and I just cleaned them like 2 weeks ago, but I have to clean them. I've been telling you guys I wanted to take this rug up, so I'm taking my rug up finally. I was telling my son I want to power wash it. I was telling babe I want to power wash it, and my son was like, why don't you just take it to one of those places that clean rugs? So I'm going to check that out to see how much that costs. If it costs too much, I will be taking it outside and I will power wash it. The sun is hot. Let the sun dry it. So I'm vacuuming it. And then I'm going to roll it up and get it out of the way. And I'm not going to put it back down, because remember I keep saying I want to change my rug. So when I do put this rug back down, it will be upstairs in my bedroom. So I am going to just get the vacuum and get it rolled up right now. Guys, this flu or this cough, whatever it is that I have, my body hurts so bad. Like right now, my back is hurting. My back was hurting me so bad. As you can see, I was not able to lift up this sofa. I had to get my son to come and help me. My body hurts. Like today, my waist is hurting me. I'm like, oh, my waist. Like, why is my waist hurting me so bad? So I don't know what this is that's going around, but I caught it, and it just takes a lot out of you. But as much as I was feeling achy, I was determined to get this space back together, because when it gets like this, when my house gets like this, I start to not like the house. So I just knew that it needed me to do the cleaning versus any of the kids. Like the kitchen is clean, but my living room was a mess. It has had a few baby Xylas pass through it, and it's just a mess. So what I'm spraying on my couch right now is some Awesome. So I did go to the dollar store because the Awesome I had was finished, and I sprayed it on there. So I did dilute it with some water, because that Awesome is strong. You're supposed to dilute it. And I also put it inside this vacuum to clean the chair with. Okay, so I sprayed some on there, let it sit a little bit, and now that I'm doing the vacuum, it's happening pretty fast. Guys, look at my son. Like, that's what he does. He always has something to tell me. He always have this conversation he has to come tell mommy and have a conversation. have a conversation with me about. Now he's telling me about why he's putting the juice in the bottle. Like, okay, you put the juice in the bottle. And I'm basically like, I am not turning my vacuum on, because what you're talking about right now is not that important, and I need to get this done. But that's him. He always he's like, oh, so mommy, let me tell you. He always have something to come and tell me. So guys, these are the covers that I had gotten from Toomey. They are working out. So I'm taking them off now to wash them. I need to order 2 more, but I just haven't had the time to. So I did see some stains on the bottom side. This is like the opposite side of the seat cushion. And I remember this stain being there, and I never cleaned it. So I am now cleaning any little stain, doing some spot cleaning, because I don't feel like taking all this stuff off and putting them in the washer. So I'm doing some spot cleaning on the backrest and the cushions where I see anything that needs to be cleaned. Again, I am sitting down because my back is hurting me so bad, but I really wanted to get this done. See, I'm stopping. It's like I am so tired. My body, I'm not tired. My body's just tired. My body's feeling really weak because this cough is no joke, guys. So I did attempt switching around the sofa. So I did put that long part. Well, it looks short to you guys, but the other end of the other sofa connects that same direction, makes it look long. So I tried to turn it where the back of it would have been to the dining room, and I sat there and I heard Babe's voice saying, Judith, if you don't put this chair back where it was right now. I literally heard it even though I didn't hear it. And I was like, yep, I can see him walking in his house and being like, why is the sofa turned like that? Because it did look kind of awkward. When you turn it like that, it's like really long. But then the part that's coming across that would look at the where you sit to look at the TV would be too short. So yeah, it couldn't stay like that. So I did have it like that, looked at it and was like, yeah, he gonna have something to say. Don't try it, girl. Don't do it to yourself. Don't put yourself through it. So I washed those covers, and now I am putting them back on. And it literally, I just found like a ring, one of my rings underneath the cushion. This literally took me, because I stopped when it was washing. I had stopped and watch some TV and trying to recuperate because my body will be hurting me so bad. But it was nice to get this space back together. It feels kind of empty without the rug, but I don't know. It feels kind of empty without the rug, but it'll be fine. And then over here does not have, where you just see me put that throw, it does not have the cover. That's where I need to get the To Me cover for, and it doesn't have one. And Baby Zyla always seemed to go sit right there. So I would always say, I need to cover that, I need to cover that. So I went ahead and I put the throw there. So now I'm finally putting my coffee table back in place. I'm going to wipe it down. It has like a couple fingerprints and stuff on it from Baby Zyla. She sits on top there, she lay on there, especially when it was out of commission. She was just having it as her own. So I'm just going to style it a little different, and then after I style this, then we'll be finished. The table have been on style for about 2 weeks now. And I am going looking for stuff that I can put on the table, because each time I style it, I like to make it look different. And this is how I style the coffee table, guys. I really like it. I did not put the throw back because I want to change the throw that I have on there. So I haven't put that back as yet. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. I will see you guys on my next upload, and that next upload should be me going through the bathroom, so you want to be there so that you can learn firsthand from moi. Bye.